today's video, we are going to learn a great trick of a division, which we will divide the biggest number from 5 to 5 in a pinch. Suppose we have a number 217. We have to divide it from 5, so the first number given is 217. If we have to double it, then we will get 434 if we double. You have to put a decimal after the number that is 4 on the right-hand side, and this is our answer. So let's take another example and see. Suppose we have the number 8693. We have to divide it from 5, so first of all the number we have is 8693. If we have to double this, then we will get 17 by doing double. 386. Meaning the number which is in the right-hand side, 6 after that one decimal has to be applied, and this is our answer. So how did you all like this great trick? In the comments section and have some questions for all of you. By making this trick, its effect will definitely be written in the comments section. So here are the questions for you. So today's video ends here. Thank you all for watching this video.